What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. You know what, guys? I am filming finally in 4K. So I'm not gonna edit too much because my computer is not that strong, but we're over here up Wailua, guys. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a 4K treat. I'm gonna feed some chickens over here, guys. Yeah. Who out there loves chickens, guys? Check it out, man. Check it out. And we got the sunset out there in the distance. Say hi, kiddos.
Hi. Oh, we gotta feed them in our hands.
Huh? I am filming in 4K, guys.
Can I jump right there?
4K. Check it out, guys. Chickens in 4K. Chickens in 4K, guys. It's a rarity. It's a rarity, guys. Check it out. Woo! There's a lot of chickens. Eliza, interview Eliza. What are we doing here?
Feeding chickens. Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, give me.
Look at that. Ethan boy's hungry.
Yeah. Okay, need them also.
Well, look at that. Woo! Look at these beautiful chickens, guys. Look at the beautiful chickens. Look at that. Hope you guys are enjoying the 4K action.
Aww. Don't take a big piece. Can you pass me?
Yeah.
Okay, can you pass me bread?
Woo!
Hey,
Look
get
at
away
that.
from me. Okay, come on. Why are they not coming by me?
They will. They
Okay,
will.
Look at that one. Koya, you're taking my... Okay, don't take too much.
Yeah. There you go. Come on, chickens. I know you're gonna.
Yeah. I know you're hungry.
I know you're gonna eat it off Eliza's hands here. Whoa!
Whoa! Bro, they're all over there.
I know. Look at that, guys.
Come here!
Woo!
Quit, stop doing it. I'm trying to get them to eat off my hand.
Go ahead, son. Some more, son. There you go.
Oh, can you pass me the bread, please? Hey! Okay, I got this. Good, stop doing it! Ah. Come on, I got bread. Get that delicious bread. So that's too big of a piece. The rooster.
Oh, move, Eliza. There, they're coming. Yay!
Mom wants to eat too. No, we love show you too.
Yeah, put some food right here. Right here in the front. In front of the camera. There you go. Once they knock it over. No, closer to the camera.
There we go.
You gotta put smaller pieces so they're gonna stay here.
They hit my hand.
Yeah.
I gotcha. Okay, let me show up. Like really close?
Yeah, just put pieces. Ay, that's too big. Yeah.
Keep yelling.
There you go. Good job. Some chickens, guys. Hope you guys are liking the 4K chicken action, guys. This is cool. Right there.
Yeah. Okay. Time to add more to it. Oh, that's too big.
Yeah, you went on top of him. Yeah. Yeah, right there's perfect. Right over there. There you go. Alright, guys. Jess is in the house. There you go, guys.
I want to catch a
Mom, I
chicken.
want my rooster friend.
Go for it. Woo!
The big rooster's my friend. Yeah.
Feeding Frenzy in 4K, guys.
Look at this
Look at
dad.
that.
Look. Yo! Come here. Mommy, we should. Yeah.
I always check out the one. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna eat.
Oh, so nice.
Look at that, guys. There's a big feeding frenzy going on over there. Look at that. Another feeding frenzy way over there, guys.
Ready? Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at all that. Holy camole.
Okay, stop. I'm gonna feed some.
Eat over here. Now put them right in front of you, Dad.
Okay, good.
Put them right in front of you.
Oh, they're fighting. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Woo!
Come, take it out of
The
my
feeding
hand.
frenzy.
My friend. Where are you,
Oh,
friend? Who should I catch?
whoa.
Friend.
Look at that.
Yo! You scared him. Where's the...
You want to see a chicken fight?
Okay. Okay, I gotcha. I'm gonna make
Woo!
Okay, I'll make a chicken fight, Romeo.
Hope you guys are enjoying the feeding frenzy, guys. Alright, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the feeding frenzy. Look at my friends over here. Look at that. Holy camole, guys. Check it out.
That one hurt.
Man, it's a whole bunch of chickens. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. Let's do a time lapse.